Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Hychika Cordless impact wrench on a beautiful red and black case. Very durable. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice, I love the case. Here you can install a second battery. It comes with three powerful and durable CRMO sockets on a blue color 17mm, yellow 19mm and red 21mm, with wall that reduces metal friction and protects automotive aluminum wheel rims, which is very suitable for installing and removing wheels. The belt clip you can install at the left or at the right of the tool, with a 4Ah fast charger, LED indicator when it's charging, red, and fully charged, green. It takes only 1 hour to charge the 4000 mAh lithium battery, with an output 20 volt, 110 watts power consumption. And the cable length, it is 1.5 meters. And the instruction manual, warranty card, and of course we have the cordless impact wrench. The battery, you can remove the battery, the button for the battery capacity, 4Ah, 72 watt hours, and of course you can charge the battery, plug in, red is charging, beautiful. Later I will fully charge it and start the test. Left and right rotation, comfortable soft elements around, comfortable grip, with work LED light, the trigger, soft elements, adjustable speed from 0 to 2000 RPM, impact frequencies from 0 to 3000 IPM, and maximum torque 350 Nm. Soft elements here, chuck size 13mm, or you can use the adapter from 1/2 to 3/8. Very robust construction, it is quite heavy, I like that, even without the battery. Hychika 18 volt 350 Nm. I like it. So let's move on outdoors and test it. Use cases: automotive repairs, loosen and tighten bolts and nuts on cars, trucks and motorcycles, construction, handle heavy-duty tasks such as assembling structures and tightening large bolts, mechanical work, perform repairs and maintenance on machinery and equipment, home repairs, used for various repair and maintenance tasks around the house. If you are someone who values efficiency, portability and professional grade tools, this impact wrench is definitely worth considering. Delivers high torque for loosening and tightening bolts and nuts, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. If you're interested in picking up the Hychika Cordless impact wrench, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep creating and I'll see you in the next video.